Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Around the House. Today, we're going to be making our own DIY liquid laundry detergent. So let's get started. So the main three ingredients we're going to need today is the Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. We're going to need a box of Borax and a bar of the Dr. Bronner's Magic Bar Soap. And some other things we're going to need is a 5-gallon bucket, something to stir with, a cheese grater, a 1-gallon jug, a measuring cup, and something to melt the soap in. Now, the cheese grater that I chose has 4 different sides, and I'm going to choose this one as the one I grate with. And I'm just gonna put the bottom into the bowl, and I'm just gonna start to grate it right into the bowl that I'm gonna use to melt. Step 1 is to grate the soap. We're going to use a fine cheese grater to completely grate 1 5-ounce bar of the Dr. Bronner's Magic Bar Soap. And we have some friends here in Florida, Monica's Coco Castrol, and the scent is for Thieves. And they gave us this small bar, so I'm going to shave this one up as well and put it into our mix. Now, a tip about the scent in this laundry detergent is you don't really have to have scent. The other thing is, while I was doing some research on this, they mentioned that the scent will not be nearly as strong as the one you buy in the store, and that's okay. Step 2 is to melt the soap. Put the grated soap into a pot with 2 cups of water. Heat it on the stove over medium to low heat. Stir constantly until the soap completely dissolves into a smooth liquid. Do not let this liquid start to boil. My wife and I run a fancy candle business together, and we have found out that if you don't want to burn the wax, you do need to put boiling water in a container and then put the wax on top. Now, as I mentioned in the instructions, you do not want this to boil, especially if you're going to use scent like I just did. Step 3, mix the powders. Fill a large 5-gallon bucket with 2 gallons of hot tap water. Pour in 1 cup of borax and 1 cup of washing soda. Stir vigorously until the powders are completely dissolved and the water looks clear. Step 4, combine and sit. Pour the hot melted liquid soap from your pot into the bucket of water. Stir well. Let the mixture sit uncovered for 24 hours. It will gel up and thicken into a watery, egg white-like texture. So now that we've got it all mixed, we just have to let it set for 24 hours. I'll see you back here at 2 p.m. tomorrow. All right, it's 2 o'clock the next day, and it's time to see what we made. All right, let's stir this up a little bit. Actually, I think this came out pretty good. All right, so it's not as gel as I thought it was going to be, but I think I need to mix it a little bit more. It's a little bit clumpy, or maybe it just needs a little bit more time because it's really, really hot and humid here. I'm gonna give it a little more time and I'm gonna mix it up, but I'm pretty happy with the way it came out as it is. Optional step 5, add the scent. Once the liquid cools down and gels after a 24-hour rest, stir in 30 to 40 drops of your chosen essential oil. Stir well and funnel the final product into a clean jug or glass jar. If you're looking for any of the products or tools that I've used in today's video, please check out the comments below. And there you have it, over 2 gallons of detergent for around $7.69, because I filled this up and it's a little over a gallon and I still have all that left over for next time. I'll just throw a lid on here and I'll stir it up before I put it in here to fill it up again. Did you like this recipe? Are you gonna give it a try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.